Nadula Hair came in the other day. It's looking really nice. Nice and soft. Can't wait to do this install. This I got a frontal. My first time getting a frontal. I like the little shine. But we're gonna co-wash it to see how it is. Once it dries, I'll let you guys know. Alright, Nadula. I didn't get the box, but you know, I got it. It came in these packages right here. So I got 4 bundles of 22 curly and also a 20-inch, I believe, frontal. Look at that curl definition. You know I love a good curl. You'll see. I'm going to show y'all the after. It's my vacation here, not till July, but I'm going to test it out. But Nadula, hit me up. Reviews.